Hey, and welcome to Trains Are Fun. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing this package from Trainworld. Now, I have James that we previously got from Trainworld, and then I've got these three box vans, which I've opened for the first time for this video. These are all in scale, by the way. And it's the ice cream van, the Great Western box van, and the Sodor Fruit and Vegetable Company. I did not get those from Trainworld. I got those from eBay. I thought I had everything on pre-order, and those things sold out quick, I guess, at Trainworld. They may come back in stock, or they may be back in stock. I haven't checked, but uh, I've been getting all of my N-scale, HO-scale, new Thomas and Friends stuff from Trainworld. But yeah, they got so many. Bachmann is doing a really good job. They got so many things on pre-order. I've had a hard time keeping up. Sometimes I double order stuff. And sometimes I forget, which I apparently did with the box vans. It would have been cheaper if I had gotten them from Trainworld. But this is a new item from Trainworld because this train is missing something. And we're going to, so look at that. They folded over where you can see some of the in-scale Thomas and Friends items. We have not got Gordon yet. Did I get Emily? I don't think I've gotten Emily yet. There's a lot of stuff here that has not been released yet. I'm pretty sure I have it on pre-order. And so one of the things that's in this here, I will be unboxing in this video. And I have got to go find my pre-orders because I don't know if I've pre-ordered that slate wagon. I'm pretty sure I pre-ordered Sir Handel. And we got some of the other ones already out. But yeah, let's see what's in this box from Trainworld. Ah, it is Toad the brake van in scale. So the packaging, it's number 77091. The packaging for the in-scale stuff is more conducive to putting it back in the box, which is good because this stuff can break easy if you're not careful. HO scale stuff comes in those blister packs, so I usually just throw the blister packs away and store them in my drawers over there. But anyway, here is Toad. Wow, it's so little. I have to look at it through my phone, just with which I'm using for the camera, in order to see the details. I can't even read that where it says GW 56831. I can see that here, but I have a hard time seeing it with my naked eye. And there's that detail, 16 tons. And what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. That's what I got here. Man, it's very nice detail, I think, for this such a tiny little thing, this in scale. Let's see. Let me zoom out. Oh, that's zooming in. Let's connect Thomas up to this. Did I say Thomas? I mean James. We got James with Toad the brake van. So Bachmann is coming out with so much in-scale stuff. I think it's time I started with the in-scale layout. I don't have anywhere to put it, but there's so much stuff. I really need to think about doing it for real this time, not just talk. Because I don't have enough room to run all the stuff that I have now, and there's so much more coming out. In fact, I got other in-scale items I've not even unboxed yet that aren't Thomas and Friends. I just need a layout. Because every time I get in-scale stuff, I had to set the track up on the table or something. And that's going to wear this track out. So what do you think of Toad, though? This is what it looks like to me. It's so tiny. Go, James. So help me reach my goal of having an N-scale layout by subscribing to Trains Are Fun, liking the video, share it with your friends. I'll be doing more train videos. Because trains are fun. Bye, Toad.